You've listed your house, you found a buyer, and you are already packing your boxes. But then the buyer's home inspection comes back. The inspector flagged a plumbing issue or an electrical problem. The buyer's bank says, "We won't fund this loan until these issues are fixed by a licensed professional." So you pick up the phone. And that is exactly when your home sale hits a brick wall. Welcome to the 2026 labor shortage repair delay. Right now, Wisconsin is facing a severe shortage of licensed trades professionals. In early 2026, the average wait time just to get a licensed contractor to your house has stretched to 4 to 6 weeks. In the traditional real estate market, a 6-week delay is a deal killer. Buyers have mortgage rate locks that expire. Lenders have strict timelines. If you can't get a contractor out before the closing date, the entire deal gets pushed back. When closings get delayed, buyers get cold feet. They start looking at other houses and often pull out of the contract entirely. Now your house goes back on the market as a stale listing, and future buyers will wonder what's wrong with it. You are stuck paying the mortgage on a house you thought you already sold, all because of a contractor's waitlist. You shouldn't have to put your life on hold just to get a repair done, and with Fair Deal, you don't have to. Don't let a 6-week repair delay your fresh start. At Fair Deal, we are cash buyers. We don't use traditional bank financing. We buy houses 100% as is, exactly the way they are today. If your electrical panel is outdated or your plumbing needs an overhaul, we do not care. We take the stress off your hands. You never have to call a contractor or spend a dime out of pocket. You pick the closing date and we hand you cash. Skip the wait list and secure your timeline. Contact Fair Deal today by clicking the link below or giving us a call. Get your free, no-obligation cash offer today. Disclaimer: information is for educational purposes only and not legal or financial advice.